Let's get ready to do an unboxing. Alright!
Hi, my name is Bam Bam Bam!
My name is iROCK, and this is Wicked, and you're watching my YouTube channel, iROCK RC. Alright! Shock Wicked, shaka. Go, alright Wicked, alright! Aloha everyone. Today is the final unboxing, or the last unboxing for 2014. Yeah! I hear everybody now jumping off for joy. Yeah, no more unboxing, no more unboxing. Yes, this is the final and last unboxing for 2014. Yes, it's very sad and disappointing. So I'm not gonna do a lot of jibber jabber, jabber jib jab, or chit chat. I'm just gonna go straight to the unboxing. But first, you know what? I'm not gonna do the trusty razor today. I think it has met its course. So let's just go straight to the unboxing. A lot of you are wondering, how are you gonna open the box without the trusty razor? I am a man of many tricks. Magic tricks, that is. So here we go. Alakadabra, alakazam. Say that magic word and Shazam! Ta-da! Woo! Ah! Yes! E-Revo brushless edition. Ta-da! Can you say epic? Okay, so Traxxas E-Revo brushless edition, factory sealed, as you can see. So, new TQI top qualifier 2.4 gigahertz TX transmitter, radio control, Bluetooth enabled to connect to your wireless mobile device. 65 plus miles per hour or 105 kilometers per hour. Depends on battery and pinion. Or Spurger. 35 plus miles per hour or 55 plus kilometers per hour. So with included battery pack, 35 plus or 55 plus kilometers per hour. So waterproof MXL 6-cell capable ESC powered by Cast Creations. New ID power cell nickel metal hydride battery, and Voice Your Choice Awards driver Traxxas. Best Electric Truck RC Car Action Magazine Reader's Choice Award. Best Electric Monster Truck Voice Your Choice Award. Best Electric Monster Truck Extreme RC Cars X Best Award. Damn, that's a lot of awards, man. So, top of the box. E-Revo brushless edition, art and engineering converge. Pretty cool. I would read all that, but you can always log on to www.traxxas.com. I think that's the website. So, smooth center skid plate for strength and protection. 17mm spline aluminum hubs. Digital waterproof steering servos. Sealable battery compartments. Hard anodized PTFE coated GTR shocks with titanium nitride coated shafts. Okay, cool features. Oh, it's like finding Waldo. So waterproof MXL 6L ESC powered by Castle Creations. Here we go. 25 plus mile per hour. Pinions per 18. 65. Okay, so you want to go 35 plus, it's 1865. Battery has to be at least a 7-cell nickel metal hydride. 40 plus is 1854. Twin 2-cell lipos. 50 plus is 1865. Twin 3-cell lipo. 6-cell total. If you want to go 65 and beyond, 2454 is pinion spirit gear ratio. Twin 3-cell lipo. 5,000 plus milliamps. Man, was that a mouthful. So car is capable of 65 plus. Can you say 70 plus mile per hour? So picture of the side of the box. Pretty aggressive looking body. Kind of reminds me of the Rustler. Yeah, Rustler. A little beefy Rustler, beefed up one. So, color choice: red, black, silver, blue. I got the blue one because it's dotted with the white dot. And then another cool picture of the Traxxas E-Revo radio, ESC and motor combination, battery and transmitter. Blah, 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 blah. And then once again, same type of info. This is the bottom of the box. Jesus. And the rear of the box. Okay, so enough with the technical and specs. Let's go open this box and see what this bad boy looks like. Are you excited? Because I am. Hey, can I get a drum roll, please? Dun 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 dun. Alright, no peeking. Alright. Okay, so your bag of goodies. Looks like we got a battery charger. Your set of tools, spur gear, extra pinion gear, shock springs, decals, stickers, silicone stock oil, 40 weight, and your instruction manual. And then you have your TX. I'm not gonna go all into detail about the transmitter or the radio control because this is like the third one that I got. So again, drum roll please. Dun 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 dun. No, for real this time. Dun 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 dun. To all my subscribers and viewers all over the world, I present you the epic RC of all time, the Traxxas E-Revo. Yeah. In all its heavenly glory. Can you say epic? Loyal? Alright, so body pins must go, body pins must go. There, so quick look at the body. You know, like I said, it does remind me of the Rustler. Just a tad bit longer. Here it is with the no body. Let's go check out the suspension. Ah, it's like the Axle Yeti. So shocks are real soft. No, I'm just gonna have to take the camera off the tripod and give you guys a closer view or a closer look. So rear spoiler, body mount post, the shocks, A-arms, links. These are massive CVDs, Traxxas, whatever you want to call them. A-arms, I'm going to repeat myself. There's a battery connector. Series connection to hook up two identical batteries. And yeah, MXL waterproof ESC 6-cell capable by powered by Castle Creations. Here's your motor, 2200 kV, waterproof receiver box, the battery tray with batteries built in. So, nickel metal hydride, 7-cell. This is a cool, it's like a cooling motor transistor. I guess someone can comment below and let me know what this is supposed to be. Transmission, the waterproof 2075 or 2075 steering servo, dual, and again the front shocks, body mount posts, A-arms, links, massive drive shafts or CVDs, and your front bumper. Pretty cool looking rig. Pretty cool dual steering servos. So that was a quick look or first look at the epic Traxxas E-Revo brushless edition. Yes, I finally got me an E-Revo. You know, this is probably the only RC that I know of that has a very loyal following. People swear about this Traxxas E-Revo. It's the greatest RC on the planet. So I was very curious, so I had to find out for myself. Well, we'll find out for myself. But you know, it looks well built from first impressions. Comes with dual everything, dual steering servos, dual batteries, no dual motors, no dual ECs, but ESCs. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. Pretty excited. Well, not really excited, but I'm looking forward to doing some run vids with this Traxxas E-Revo. And I'm gonna do a special video dedicated to my fellow subscriber and good friend, Twisted. He wanted me to do a Traxxas E-Revo versus Axial Yeti XL vid. You know, pretty much a comparison run vid. So that will be in the making in 2015. But yeah, so yeah, pretty cool and excited of getting this Traxxas E-Revo. I know many of you have this Traxxas E-Revo in your RC collection and your arsenal. So please do comment below and tell me what you think of your Traxxas E-Revo. How terrific it is, how wonderful and fantastic, and how much fun I'm gonna have with this E-Revo. Okay. So that's it for this video. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Actually, I'm looking forward to do some run vids with this video and many cool vids. So yeah, this will be the last unboxing for 2014, unfortunately. Yes, people, don't get too depressed and don't get too sad. This probably be well, I don't think this will be the last time, but yeah, you know, I think I'm gonna do one more vid with me in it before 2014 is over, and then but many run vids coming in the near future. I promise you that. I give you my word. You'll be sick of run vids like you're sick with unboxings. Really cool run vids. So I just want to thank all my subscribers and viewers for your support. As of this video, I'm almost at the 100,000 views for my channel. Pretty cool. I broke 1,000 subscribers recently, and I thought that was pretty cool. But you know, I'm never satisfied. I never rest. I'm gonna work even more harder and be more determined and make my videos more better and more entertaining and make more of a fool of myself. Fool, you know, fool. Fool. So I can make my channel grow. But I'll be a very busy person in 2015. Yeah, I'll be volunteering a lot of my time to help out my community. So that'll be updated. I'll let you folks know what I have in plan in 2015. But yeah, I'm volunteering some of my time on my equipment and you know, to help out some organizations. So you know, you're not the only one. Chairman RC Junior. If I gotta do it, you gotta do it too. I'm setting the example. Okay, so yeah, and see, I lost my train of thought now again. I'm losing my train of thought. I'm losing my mind. No. Oh yeah. A lot of cool stuff in 2015. I'll be a very busy person, busy man. Hopefully I find all that time to entertain you folks. Oh yeah, yeah. Over 90,000 views for my channel and breaking the 1,000 subscriber barrier mark. which is which I think is pretty cool. But I'm like I said, I'm never satisfied. So hopefully I improve my channel next year, in 2015. Hopefully my run vids are better, my studio videos are better. Hopefully I can motivate you folks to make better videos, or challenge you folks to make not only better videos on your channel, but become a better person. That's the way. But I'm going to leave the motivational and rah-rah speech for my next video. So stay tuned for that. And then, yeah, so that's it. Just wanted to thank all my subscribers and viewers for all your support, and for the awesome friendship that I've made this past year, ever since I started my channel. And I met so much great people, and I said I was going to wait for the next video for that information. So okay, yeah, thank you for your support. Thank you for watching my videos, supporting my channel. So till my next video, guys, take care and God bless, and aloha. Wait, I do have one more thing. I'll be right back. Can you say, I have a heavy box, and man, this box is heavy. Damn, this box is heavy. HPI. Enough said. So, aloha guys. Take care and God bless. And shaka. And I'm out.